Good morning, everybody. This is incredible. I don't know if I've seen anything like this. The steam fog's coming off the lake. The sun's just about to come up. Slept pretty good last night. It's probably about 55 degrees out here, maybe 58, something like that. That's pretty chilly. Chilly. It's pretty chilly. What are we gonna do today?
Swim.
Swim in the lake?
That's what we're gonna do. Mommy, look!
Day 2 camping trip, Rocky Mountain Campground in Georgia. We're getting,
I thought this was Rome.
yeah, we went through Rome to get here. So we're a little bit north of Rome.
I thought this was Rome.
You thought this was Rome too? I like your hat.
Thank you.
Kids are in the truck, gonna take a nap, and we're gonna maybe take a nap too. It's pretty quiet out here in the campsite. There's a lot of people bringing campers in, but I think they're bringing them in maybe for the weekend. The guy next to us had to try like 3 different times to get lined up, and then spent about 20 minutes backing it in, and finished off the show with crashing his RV into the tree at the end of the campsite. So they were gonna take a little nap here. So I had to go up the store to get a little bit of food because I'm freaking starving to death. Miss Gann bought all the stinking fruit, and there's
peaches and plums and bananas and grapes.
Yeah, let me show you.
Some cheese.
We've fixed the problem
and
though
oranges.
because there was a trading post right up the road. Let's check this out.
Oh my lord.
Okay, so here we go. Check this out. We got Pop-Tarts, marshmallows, cone rolls, moon pies, chocolate. Oh, we're getting to the good stuff. Sugar, just in case. Cookies, and then wash that down with a good old sugar-free Dr. Pepper. Wait, oh, yeah. This is gonna be great. So here's the plan. We've got it's a science experiment, that's all. We've got our test pilot here who has his safety equipment on and secure and is eager to test this new boat out. Me and Kevo.
Does not look like a boat. That looks like a Rubbermaid container.
It will be. This is the engineer. He's got a plan to make
A boat's
this happen.
just wood until you put it together.
That's right. So Rabian, I've promised him a $20 bill if he can paddle this boat we're gonna make out to those fishermen.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me zoom in because I can't see them.
And he's gonna tell them he's out of bait.
Those guys all the way out there.
Try and score a worm.
Those guys all the way out there.
Yeah, and he's ready to go. So let's see what we can come up with. You ready to do this?
Sure. I'm ready.
Get yourself centered to the middle so your boat won't topple.
Can we go that way, please?
You need to put your head over toward the middle or something. Yeah, the only way it's going to work at all is if you get in them ropes.
There you go.
You good like that?
No.
How you doing?
Very good.
You are blowing away. If you keep blowing, you'll just paddle a little and you'll drift back to the shore and we'll come get you down here a little.
You can all just stick out to them and save them. Hold on to it. Hold on to your stick.
Don't get up.
I'll do it, Daddy.
Kevin's next. Oh, dude, yeah. Good neck, boys. Hey, yeah, you know, on second thought. Yeah. Can y'all find out where the lake ends up? Are they really more ballast? Grab the front, pull the front end down.
Where's my fishing rod? Hey, where's my fishing rod?
I don't think you going in the boat was a part of the original plan.
So what had happened was, it worked so well with him. Basically a streamlined yacht when Rabian was in it, sailing through the sea. I thought maybe I'd take a shot at it. So it was a little bit of ballast issue, a little bit of balancing. We're gonna have to we'll have to work that out on boat number 3. But we're like right there. We're pretty much right on the edge of a production model of this bad boy.
Yes.
Sun's going down. Broke out the s'mores again, laid out the night clothes. Brought this beautiful little girl down here, Miss Ellie, and my little sweetheart, Aliana. Is this the first time you let me play with you since we've been here?
Whoa. Looks a little Blair Witch Project-ish.
Kind of creepy. Got to make the camera more unstable.
Get us. Hold me.
It's the end of day 2, camping day 2. It's our last night. We're gonna get up in the morning and eat breakfast and hit the road. It's been a good day though. There's a giant spider across the tent. All right, Big Daddy, you got to go. Get out of here.
There's only room for 2.
A lot of our early memories dating, Pam and I. Were some good camping trips.
Not dating.
Yeah, I guess we didn't date. Camping.
A lot of
Early marriage.
So
we were
you
married.
say that so you can edit that other part out so people don't think we're lying.
So a lot of our early, right after Pam and I got married, we'd go camping up in North Carolina. When we were kiddos. I was in the Army. Man, we were young.
Down in Florida.
Did some camping in Florida.
Down the
It's good times. It's good to be back out and camping with friends. So good to see Kevin and Angie and their little girls are growing up big. And it's nice for Aliana to have some little girls to play with. She's always playing with all the boys in the family, which is awesome because they're her protectors and they all love her to death. But it's cool for her to get to run around with other little girls and squeal. And
Who are yelling about being a princess.
yeah. Guys, thanks so much for watching. It's fun making these videos for you. Really just a creative project and kind of share some of our life with our friends and family and anybody else that's watching. So thanks so much. If you want to see another video like this, hit the subscribe button and you'll get it when it comes out. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and we'll see you guys soon. Have a good one.